How to cancel Shein order. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Shein. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the section of My Orders, head over to View All. It will land you on this page. In the section of All Orders, you will be able to see all the list of the orders that you have made. Well, you will only be able to cancel the order if your order is unpaid or processing. But if your order has been shipped, then you will not be able to cancel it. So make sure to cancel the order before it gets shipped. In order to cancel, simply move into the order that you want to cancel. And then at the bottom, you'll be able to see the option of cancel. Click on it and then click on confirm. After that, your order will be cancelled successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.